3 quick tips to boost your opportunities conversions. Can't even make your first sale. Not making as many sales as you expected? Here are some tips that will help you. First tip, be unique. So simple, right? But a lot of people are simply copying each other. I am not saying to reinvent the wheel, but you have to stand out. If you are an affiliate marketer, you can't change the product. So you have to create an offer, wrap up the product in your own unique wrapper, create your own checklists, cheat sheet, mini course, etc. to help you stand out. Be unique in your bonuses, be unique in your marketing. There are various angles to tackle. Make sure to pick one and create your own offer. Second tip, sell to the right audience. Stop trying to sell to broke people. Learn to attract the right audience. Be very clear when delivering your message and be confident in what you have to offer. Screw the tire kickers, they aren't worth your time. Help people who are willing to invest. Not just in terms of money but also invest their time and effort. Third tip, move people away from pain. Instead of always selling the dream. This still works. You should flip the script. Try moving them away from pain. What are the pain points of your prospects? For the massively multiplayer online niche, it could be things like, working a 9-to-5, hates their boss, not enough time with family, can't pay the rent, can't pay the bills, etc. Try to write down the pain points of your niche and dive into them. Integrate them in your messaging and I am confident that it will make a difference. That's all from me today. Have an awesome day. Before you go, please click my link below.